難得嘅嚇。
I'm sure his past life is a Thai.
所以佢認為佢嘅前世咧，佢應該係泰國佬嚟嘅。
I fully agree with that.
我都同意，其實 I agree also。
You know, I brought up learning Thai, knowing Thai boxing through my father.
咁嘅 Mr. Prason 咧就係從佢嘅爸爸嗰度咧就學識呢個泰拳嘅。
All the famous boxers, he know them all.
咁咧而家取 Sir 好犀利喎，佢識晒咧所有咧泰拳嘅宗師啊。
Including all the match, important match.
咁包括咧所有重要嘅拳賽添喎。
Unbelievable.
係啦，即係非常之難得嚇。咁我哋熱烈嘅掌聲俾一俾 Mr. Prason， 同埋呢對咧咁好嘅，即係好似 twins 咁啊，你哋。呢對好兄弟。係啦，咁樣咧阿取 Sir 而家咧就有一個係政治有個政治性嘅一個宣言講俾大家聽。而家佢咧就已經出咗咧，寫咗6本書㗎啦。今日咧就會有2本咧係同大家分享喎。
呢度嘢都試過。
但係咧，阿取 Sir 咧，佢最終嘅人生嘅目標啊，咁希望咧就係做到一本咧書咧，好似黃頁咁樣嘅一本綜合嘅百科全書。就係包括咧係關於呢一個 Muay Thai 即係泰拳啦，同埋呢個泰拳歷史咧100年嘅呢一個嘅歷史係綜合落去嘅。
Nobody in the world has the kind of data that I got. Photographs, data, matches, events, details, and circumstances.
呢個世界咧，相信咧都冇一個人咧比得起我哋嘅徐家傑大宗師咧，係擁有咁多關於泰拳同埋呢個泰式拳術嘅文化咧，所得到嘅故事啦、相片啦、人物關係啦，同埋咧相關嘅呢一個收藏品㗎。
Eventually, when that book hits the world, it'll be in Chinese, Thai, English, Japanese, and maybe in Spanish.
咁樣咧，我取 Sir 而家咧已經係落緊估咗好多年咧，去綜合同埋去撰寫呢一本書。將來咧都會有中文、英文、日文、西班牙文、泰文等等咧咁多嘅書籍咧，可以係供全世界嘅粉絲咧去欣賞。
In the meantime, my home remains a dysfunctional library.
咁但係咧，而家咧佢都係好落力咁樣咧，去綜合咧成為一個圖書館啊嚇。
咁我屋企咧就好似一個廢棄嘅圖書館咁，通地都係書，通屋都係書。That's why I cannot entertain people at home. It's like a broken down library. I see people in restaurants, hotels, but never at home.
好啦，冇問題啦。咁徐師傅咧就話，因為而家咧成屋咧都好似一個咧圖書館咁啊嚇。咁呢個圖書館咧就係包羅咗佢咁多年嚟咧，綜合呢一個泰拳同埋泰式文化100年歷史嘅所有書籍、相片咧，同埋有關嘅文獻啊。咁所以咧，大家如果要約阿取 Sir 食飯咧，唔好去佢屋企啦，我哋出嚟一齊傾偈啦，好嘛？
多謝多。
OK， 多謝晒 ，Thank you Mr. Prason，Thank you Grandmaster Alex。